To check a number perfect or not, click on new class, write here perfect, OK, double click here, Control A, delete. Now start writing. Write the comment to take a number perfect or not. What is perfect number? A number is called perfect if it is equal to the sum of its factors other than the number itself. Other than the number itself. Okay. The a number is called perfect if it is equal to the sum of its factors other than the number itself. How can you know the factor? If a number is divisible by another number, means it see 6. Let the number is 6. 6 is divisible by 1. So 1 is a factor. 6 is divisible by 2, so 2 is a factor. 6 is divisible by 3, so 3 is a factor. Now 4 is not divisible by 6, so 4 is not a factor. 5 is not divisible by 6, so 5 is not a factor. 6 is divisible by 6. So 6 is also a factor of 6, but the number is not included. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 are factors of 6. Sum of factors equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So sum of factors equal to the number. So 6 is a perfect number. Take another number 28. 1 is divisible by 28, so 1 is a factor. 2 is divisible by 28, so 2 is a factor. 4 is divisible by 28, so 4 is a factor. 7 is divisible by 28, so 7 is a factor. 14 is divisible by 28, so 14 is a factor. 28 is not included. The factors are 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14. The sum of factors equal to 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 14, 28. So sum of factor equal to the number. So 28 is also a perfect number. Clear? Sum of factors equal to the number, then it is a perfect number. Let us start the program. Now, to start the program, we have to write the import statement. Why import statement? To include a package. For scanner class, we have to include the package java.util. Now, write import test java.util. Java.util is a package for scanner class. Java.util.scanner. In scanner as capital. We can write instead of scanner .stc. Stc means it includes all class. Scanner means it includes only scanner class. Now import. This is syntax error. The spelling is wrong. This is import. Now public class name. Public class name. Class name is perfect. Curly bracket. Then public void display. Public void display. I have written here the function name display. You can write any function name, or you can write the main method, that is public static void main string arguments. Main method. You can include main method or a function. Now curly bracket start. Then public void display. Here you have to write what? to enter a number. To enter a number, first you have to include this scanner statement. What is this scanner statement? Scanner in equal to scanner in equal to new scanner system dot system dot in semicolon. This is the scanner statement. To include to enter a number, you have to write this statement. Here scanner is S capital, system S capital. In is object. You can write here instead of in SO or SC, etc. In is not a keyword here. You can write any other object name. Now system dot out dot print ln. System dot out dot print ln is the output statement to display message or to display result. The output statement in Java is system dot out dot print ln. Ln means to write in another statement to next line. Another line, next line. If you write only print, it will print in the same line. Enter a number. This is the message for user. Enter a number. Computer will show enter a number. You have to enter a number through keyboard. Computer will accept that number if you have given a statement that is n equal to in dot next int I capital next int common bracket open close semicolon. If you have written this statement, then only it can accept your number. Otherwise, it cannot be accept your number. Okay. So this is the input statement. This is the input statement. And this is the output statement. It display this input. This is the output statement. This is the output statement. This is the input statement. Here n is the variable and it is not declared. So write here declaration part after scanner or something. You write here write int n semicolon. Now n equal to int dot next int. This is int n means this is declaration of data type of variable. Declaration of data type. Which type of data this one? This is integer type. This n is a integer type. Now this is input statement. N equal to int dot next int means you have entered a number. Now you have to check the number is perfect or not. To check the number is perfect or not, you have to write the for statement. Perfect means you have to find the factor, then you have to find the sum of factor. Okay. Now you have to find the sum of factor here. To find the sum of factors. How can you find the sum of factors? Take for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than, not less than, equal to I less than n, I plus plus curly bracket, if n modulus, if n modulus I equal to 0. In Java, equal is the relational operator and we have to take double equal sign for equal. If n modulus I equal to 0, if n modulus I equal to 0 means if value of I is divisible by n, then I is a factor and we have to add this one. So write here s equal to s plus I. Now S is not declared, so declare here S, comma. Then this is the S equal to S plus, means initial value of S will be 0. You have to write initial value of S as 0. So write here S equal to 0. Now S equal to S plus I. See, if you have taken n as 6, then first value of I is your 1, 6 is divisible by 1, yes, then S equal to S plus I means 0 plus 1. Then again, if I value of I is 2, now n is 6, 6 divisible by 2, yes, so S equal to S plus 2. Let me explain this one. Let number is, let n is your 6. If n is 6, okay, then for first time s equal to 0, let I equal to 1. For first time I equal to 1, n modulus I equal to 0, n divided by 1, remainder is 0, yes, remainder is 0. So s equal to s plus I, s means 0 plus I means 1, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Then value of I will be increased 2. N means 6, 6 modulus 2 equal to 0, 6 is divisible by 2, yes, 6 is divisible by 2. Value of I is 2, 2 is divisible by 6, so s equal to s plus I means s is 1, here 1 plus I means 2, that is equal to 3. Then value of I is 3. 3 is divisible by 6. 3 is divisible by 6. Yes, 3 is divisible by 6. Remainder is 0. So, s equal to s plus. S plus means 3 plus I. I is 3. S equal to s plus I. I means 3. That is 6. Then value of I is 4. Is 6 divisible by 4? No, 6 is not divisible by 4. The remainder is not 0. If you divide 6 by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 6 minus 4 2, so remainder is 2. Remainder is not 0. So 4 is not, 6 is not divisible by 4. So 4 is not a factor. So when I equal to 4, I is not a factor, so s is 6 only. Here x is 6. Then 5. 5 is not divisible by 6. 5 1 ja 5. Remainder is 1. So 5 is not divisible by 6. So 5 is not a factor. So s is 6 only. Then 6 is I less than n means up to 5 only. Okay. This is not equal to n. So 6 will not be included. Only up to 5. So last s is your 6. Last sum is 6. Clear? So this is your s equal to, last final value of s is 6. So if s equal to n, s and n if same, then this is your perfect number. If s equal to n, then this is a perfect number. Okay? Here I is not declared. So declare here, comma, I. Okay, now there is no error. Now this is the for loop to find the factor, sum of factor. If sum of the factor equal to n, then it is a perfect number. If s equal to n, then it is a perfect number. System dot out dot print ln, perfect number. Else system dot out dot print ln, not perfect number. Compile, no syntax error. No syntax error. So close this, right click, new, OK, right click, void display, enter a number, let this is 28, enter, perfect number, option, clear, close this one, again right click, void display, let enter number is 35, enter, not perfect number.